Hi, it's Sarah of Adventures of Sarah and Sharon, and I'm here in Costa Rica, and Sharon's not here. Sorry, Sharon. We did zip lining today and a giant water slide, which was crazy. It was a lot of fun, but it was definitely would not be legal in the United States. And now we're eating lunch. Well, we just finished lunch, and now it's pouring rain, so we have pretty good timing. We're going horseback riding this afternoon. I'm a little bit afraid of horses. Only a little. I mean, only because it's more of a healthy respect for them because I don't know them very well. Sharon knows the horses very well. I would actually feel a little bit more comfortable if she were here with me. But I'm sure that the guides and everything that are here will be perfectly fine. So Sharon would like it. So I wish you were here with me. It's a lot of fun. I'm sorry I can't. I hope I can post this. I think I'll be able to. I have a little bit of Wi-Fi at the moment, so hopefully I'll be able to post something. I haven't had a chance to check very much to see if there have been comments on my last video, but it's been a lot of fun. People are. It's a lot of fun. The weather's been absolutely gorgeous until literally right now. Like, it started maybe 3 minutes ago. It started pouring rain. It was kind of sprinkling a little bit at first, and now all of a sudden started pouring. But we are near the rainforest, and it is now the rainy season, so it's to be expected. But thankfully, it has not been raining very badly most of the time that we're here. So I got some great video and pictures of a volcano yesterday. It was absolutely beautiful. They said that we were actually really lucky because it had cleared up. It had been completely clouded over and nobody could see anything of the volcano he said the last 3 weeks, and then the last 2 days it cleared up. So we got really lucky to be able to see that beautiful volcano. And some monkeys, and we did a hike through the rainforest. We saw some monkeys and some snakes, poisonous snakes. They're like be really careful. There were tarantulas and poisonous caterpillars, and so it's kind of funny, but it's Costa Rica, it's Central America. They have poisonous stuff here, but we're having a lot of fun. All right, hopefully everybody is having fun at home and being safe, and maybe next time you can join us. All right, don't forget to follow Adventures of Sarah and Sharon. When I get home, it will be Adventures of Sarah and Sharon again. For now, it's just Adventures of Sarah. And I'll see you when I get back. Okay, bye.